Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to add a shortcut to a chat in Snapchat. By following these steps, you can easily access your favorite chats directly from your home screen. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open it. Step 2. Tap on a chat from your chat list. Choose the chat that you want to create a shortcut for. Step 3. Tap on the name of the chat at the top of the screen. Then, tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. In the menu that appears, tap on Chat Settings. Step 5. Look for the option that says Pin Shortcut to Home Screen and tap on it. This will create a shortcut for the selected chat on your device's home screen. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a shortcut to a chat in Snapchat and have quick access to your favorite conversations right from your home screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.